The future of beauty. 2025 trends reshaping skincare, makeup, and self-expression. In 2025, beauty is no longer just about appearances. It's about personalization, technology, and ethical expression. One of the most powerful trends leading this transformation is AI-driven skincare personalization. Consumers are moving away from one-size-fits-all routines and leaning into hyper-customized regimens powered by artificial intelligence. Using data from facial scans, weather patterns, sleep cycles, and even hormone levels, AI now recommends products tailored to your unique biology and environment. Brands like Lumina and DermaSync are pioneering the use of smart mirrors and apps that track skin changes in real time and adjust product recommendations accordingly. This revolution isn't just technological, it's deeply personal, helping users achieve optimal skin health without wasting time or money on ineffective products. Another trend making waves in 2025 is the rise of clean, microbiome-friendly beauty. As consumers grow increasingly aware of the skin's ecosystem, there's a growing demand for products that nourish and protect the microbiome rather than strip it. Harsh cleansers and exfoliants are being replaced by prebiotic and postbiotic formulas that support skin immunity, barrier function, and overall resilience. This shift is deeply tied to the larger wellness movement, merging science with nature in a way that appeals to health-conscious users. Dermatologists now recognize that many chronic skin issues, from eczema to acne, are related to microbiome imbalance. And the best beauty brands are responding with formulas that do more than just beautify, they heal. Expect to see more fermented ingredients, adaptive botanicals, and biomimetic lipids in your product lineup. Meanwhile, makeup in 2025 is experiencing a renaissance of self-expression, blending digital and physical creativity. The once clear line between virtual and real-world beauty has blurred with the emergence of digital filters that match physical products. AR-compatible makeup allows users to design and test looks virtually before applying them. Limited edition makeup drops are coordinated with augmented reality effects, turning makeup into a fashion tech fusion. Multi-chrome pigments, skin-safe holographics, and reflective microbeads allow individuals to recreate their favorite AR looks in real life. For many, makeup is no longer about concealment or perfection. It's about storytelling, emotion, and identity. The motto of the year is play, don't perfect, and it's influencing Gen Z and Alpha users alike to embrace impermanence and imagination in their looks. The final major shift is in the realm of sustainable beauty innovation, where ecotech is redefining packaging, sourcing, and manufacturing. In 2025, refillable, biodegradable, and upcycled packaging is no longer niche. It's mainstream. Algae-based containers, mushroom leather compacts, and lab-grown actives are turning heads in both luxury and drugstore markets. Beauty brands are incorporating blockchain technology to verify ethical sourcing, ensuring that every ingredient, from a drop of Moroccan argan oil to a pinch of Himalayan salt, is traceable and transparent. The circular economy model is now embedded into every major beauty launch, with buyback and product recycling programs built into apps. As climate urgency intensifies, brands that fail to innovate sustainably are being left behind. Consumers are demanding not just results, but responsibility, from soil to shelf.